So today we're going to learn our second method, and it piggybacks off the first method, off the area model. It's called the distributed property. And when you hear the word distribute, you know, somebody distributes something, you're handing it out. If I am distributing papers to the class, I'm giving everybody in the class the piece of paper. Okay? So, if we set this up as an area model, so this would be 5, that 8's not really an 8, it's a 80, that 2 is really a 2, and this 5 goes 5 times 80, and then 5 times 2, that would be 10, that would be 400, 5 times 8 is 40, put the 0 on 400, add those together, you would get 410. Notice how the 5 was distributed to the 8 and the 2. Okay? To save time, so we don't have to draw the area model, we can use the distributed property, and we can use some mathematical symbols to help us out there. So we can say that 5 times 82 is equal to 5 times, and then I'm going to write this in expanded form. 80 plus 2. Okay? And then this is going to be distributed here and there. Okay? The 5 is outside, it's being distributed to the 80, to the 2. So we will rewrite this as 5 times 80 plus 5 times 2. Okay? After we do that, we'll do what's inside the parentheses. We'll do the math. So 5 times 80 is still 400. 5 times 2 is 10. So the answer would be 410. Okay? So let's take a look at the other example, number 2. And we're just going to use that, do that one strictly by distributed property. So it's 6 times 73. That 6 is going to be distributed to the tens place and the ones place. So I'm going to rewrite it as 6 times, and I'm going to write this in expanded form, 70 plus 3, and that 6 is going to be expanded or distributed there, and it's going to be distributed to the 70 and to the 3. So when I distribute it there, it's 6 times 70 plus 6 times 3. Okay? 6 times 7 is 42. Put the 0 on. Plus 6 times 3 is 18. And that would equal, so that's 8, 3, 438. Okay? Try 3 and 4 on your own, and we'll be doing more work on this in class.